Garage Laboratory. ZX10 Nation out here. We got my bike on the scales and it reads, oops, 420 pounds. Like, this definitely does not have any fuel inside of here. I transported this bike with like no fuel inside of here, so we probably add in at least another 20 to like 22 pounds. But 419 is actually not bad. So we figured maybe like 440, 445 with a full filler tank. And keep in mind, I definitely did do the flap valve delete. Obviously, we have the full system on there, so the catalytic converter is off of there, so a little bit of weight savings, but it's pretty cool, man. Just gonna see if we can put that booster on next and see what we come up with. Well, as you guys can see, we are at Evan's garage here. Probably going to be doing a little bit of test runs. I actually just installed my straps on my bike as well too, so I'm going to be doing some tests with the straps because that is definitely going to be needed when doing the Smackdown. So we're going to see how these roads are out here, man. I'm going to definitely see how the Chala responds with these straps on, and hopefully I can get some good launches because they're going to be utilized sometime next week. You guys stay on the lookout for that video. But let's get back into it, man. So you're going with 426 for the booster?
Yeah, I'm guessing at 426 based off how much fuel's in it.
And how much fuel is in there?
A little bit below half a tank. And at half a tank it was 428. So.
Let's see what we got.
Booster
on here.
429.
429?
Yep. Well, 428. That's why I don't trust those gas gauges.
Damn, this thing is pretty. All you booster fans are digging this. And it reads 428. Wow. This big ass booster weighs less than my ZX10. That's awesome. Great job, Evan.
It's fake, it's lying. I'm lying to everybody. I'm full of shit. I don't know what I'm doing. No way a booster weighs that little. With fuel in it, blah, blah, blah. Whatever else the internet says.
It's crazy.
Half a tank readout is less than half a fuel.
So up next, we got Johnny's 18 Gixxer 1000R on the scales. Reset it again. Rebalance it. This thing is nice. The full Acra as well too, and it's wrapped. And what do we got, Mr. Evan?
It's everywhere.
Wow, Mungus, you got some comp. 397 on the dot with a full tank of gas. Mine does not have a full tank of gas, or half tank of gas. Even so, that's impressive. He acts like he's not excited, but he is. That's dope.
If you ever actually.
First, we got to get some petrol. I'm gonna start calling it petrol from now on. I don't like saying gas. Gas is too basic, and we don't do basic. But yeah, I'm with EJR, and I'm with my boy Knuckles on his Gixxer 1000R. That is super fast, as you guys can see from right there. And at EJR, Evan is actually on Megatron. So we will definitely get a glimpse of that and see how that goes. So let me go ahead and gas up, and I will see you guys in a sec.
Alright, we made it to the meat spot here. Got the bikes all lined up. Oh my gosh, look at T'Challa. Y'all have never seen her act in this manner. This bike is now strapped, and it looks real aggressive. I'm really interested to see how this setup is gonna be. See if it prevents a lot of wheelies. I can hit, first gear a lot harder. This stance just looks mean. I can't even lie. I love it. But we'll see how this goes, man. We out here with EJR and Megatron.
What's up?
This is one fast bike right here. And guys, when I say this thing is immaculate, I mean like immaculate. Like, you can eat your food right off of these freaking carbon fiber rims. I don't know if it's too hard to see. But man, immaculate. 2020 Busa. And then we got two ZX14. Two ZX14s over here, looking like monsters. Yep, I'm gonna be a journalist today. No racing for me. Knuckles out here with the super fast Gixxer 1000R. I dig that yellow headlight. I like that. It's unique. And then we got another fast EJR tuned ZX10. So all in all, for me, guys, this is just going to be more of just practice Smackdowns for me. Get used to seeing how these straps feel with the bike lowered. Should serve a very functional purpose. Oh man, that looks mean. Should serve a functional purpose, but we will see how it goes, guys. So check y'all out in a sec. Dope DRZ right here, man. I like this. Fire! But guys, we're probably gonna pack it up for the day. Again, I wasn't trying to do any Smackdowns with anybody because I knew I couldn't really mess with any of these bikes out here. But it was good to get some practice runs in with the straps on the bike. First time I've ever had straps on this bike, so it gave me a chance to really feel the feeling for it. So we're gonna go ahead and pack it up. We're gonna head back to the city because we got a long drive to go. But guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're a subscriber, tap that bell. Get notified when new content is uploaded. We definitely got some more stuff coming your way next week, and we also got track days happening later this month too, guys. So be on the lookout because I got some content for you guys, man. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. People, ride safe. Peace out.